Welcome to the Plarty. And today, okay, let's make SpongeBob. Here we go. We first start dreaming, then sketching, shaping, work it out, and finishing off. Here we go. First, make a lot of big shapes and a lot of lines. The more lines, the better. So, you see, I can use my imagination and I already see SpongeBob between all the lines. The eyes, the nose, something here, I think. This is how we do it. This is how we create art. And I really like to make art because when I make art, I feel at home. This is my home. This is where I can create everything I want. Look, this is a lot of lines. I think I'm going to do it like this, a little bit different, and never wipe out the lines. Never, ever be proud of all the lines, all your mistakes, because thanks to all your mistakes, you made it. So be proud of all your mistakes because every mistake is creative. This is a nice dream, dream drawing. You know, drawing means to draw everything towards you. So now I'm a little bit searching for the right lines, the right shape. This is very nice to do, so I'm not rushing it. And here, the shoes, a little bit like this. Because if you start with shaping and not with dreaming and sketching, then the shapes are not so nice as it could be. So dreaming is so important. And it's the nicest things to do. Dreaming feels like playing. Well, drawing feels like playing. So you can see the mouth, something like this. I'm not exactly sure, but it will grow on the paper like a tree is growing in the ground. An artwork will grow on the paper. Think about it like nature. Give it time to grow. It needs time to grow, of course, yeah. Look, now it's time for the next step, sketching. So, between all those lines I will find, look, finding. I will find the most beautiful shapes. and that needs time. So give it time. Don't rush it. Never, ever rush it. If you can do that, give it time to create those shapes, then you are able to do everything on paper. So, look at this. This is nice. Yes, I'm starting to learn the shape. You can see it too. Step by step. And if it feels like playing, it's the most important thing. You have to enjoy what you do. And that's why you need to dream. Because if you do that, then you do exactly what you like. Because it started all with the dream. Look. And don't make a copy of everything, but make it your own. Your own work of art. Because you are special. And if you can feel that, then you feel that every line you make is special. And that is very important. Because if you feel that, the viewer, all the people that look at your drawing will feel it too. And that's what art is. That is what art does. Look, sketching is almost ready. Then I can start shaping. Shaping around. All the steps are nice and necessary to create a nice drawing, painting, whatever. Or to design a new car, house, or a new superhero. Whatever, you can do what you like. So, I think there's missing something over here. Yeah. Well, I have time. So, I start shaping with a pen, black pen. I just try to get the best shapes out of it, but I already dreamt it and sketched it, so that won't be any problem. Yeah, that's like it. And let's make this black. Eyebrows. Oh no, not the eyebrows. I don't know exactly the English word of that, but it doesn't matter. You can see what I do, so that's the most important thing. So you can do it too, in your own way, of course. And don't wipe out any lines, please. Be proud of every line you make. And be patient. Don't rush it. This is just what we have to do. Nice and easy. Never start panicking. There's no need because this is your world. You're the boss. This paper is your freedom. You can do whatever you like. You can make as much mistakes as you like. Don't be hard on yourself. Just play. Start to appreciate what you can do and not what you cannot do. Well, this looks like this, I think. So, almost ready with shaping. Then I start to shade. Let's do that now. Maybe here, maybe here, here. And try not wiping out those lines, those streaming lines. Maybe a little, but not too much. So, if it looks like SpongeBob, it is SpongeBob. I think this is it. Or maybe I can make this black. So, and finishing off. Like this. That's what I like. Well, thanks for watching. And wait a minute. I'm almost ready. Yes, there's always something to do. Well, this is it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.